Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the products that we offer from hrreportingtools.com. Our products are designed for HR decision makers like you to take smart data-driven decisions and increase the return on investment and add significant value to your company. And we know that by using good data and effective analysis, we can drive positive impact to your business. We've already seen in the previous video the benefits of such smart reporting tools. If you have not watched that video, please check that out. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the products that we offer from hrreportingtools.com. We all know this, we understand this. However, what is stopping from companies to achieve this? Here are some common challenges that the companies face when trying to do this. The lack of good data. Usually the data is spread in different departments, different locations, different databases, and how do I bring all of that data together? I'm not able to do it. And when it comes to using that data to make meaningful metrics and use them, that is another important challenge or struggle that teams face. How do I create? What metrics should I be creating? How do I calculate those metrics? Those things could be a big challenge to some companies. And then once you have the metrics, then we have to create all these reports and refresh them on a daily or a weekly or a monthly basis. And typically these could become a very time-consuming process for some companies, and that is where things break down. And finally, the cost side of things. It's a common belief that in order to have very good sound HR analytical or reporting foundational framework, it could be very expensive. You need to pay thousands and thousands of dollars to do so. And here is where we offer a solution to these problems from hrreportingtools.com. So let's talk about what products we offer that addresses these pain points. We have three products. We have a Power HR product, HR Excel Superpower, HR Sheets Superpower. So let me talk a little bit more about each of these one by one. Power HR is our all-in-one, one-stop Power BI based reporting solution, and Power BI is a product from Microsoft. The Power BI desktop is free to download. The way this product works is you will receive an Excel file, Microsoft Excel file, and a Microsoft Power BI file. The Microsoft Excel file is where you input your data and then you hit the refresh button in Power BI, and Power BI is where you will see all the reports visualized for you to use. Really simple setup. If you want to share the Power BI reports with your colleagues in your company, then you would need Power BI Pro license, which has a very low monthly fee. However, if you just want to use the reports for your own self, then Power BI Desktop is sufficient and it is absolutely free. Now let's take a look at the second product, which is HR Excel Superpower. The Excel Superpower, we provide you a zipped file of 15 Excel files and 15 sample files for your reference. For example, if you want to do leave management in your company, then you will open the Leave Manager Excel file in Microsoft Excel, and then you input your own data, refresh, and you get the reports inside the same Excel file. If you want to do recruitment management, then you open the specific Recruitment Manager Excel file, input your data about jobs and applications, and then you will receive immediately the recruitment dashboard in the same file. These templates work independently, meaning all these 15 modules, you can use one or the other by opening that specific file. They do not interact with each other. And this allows you to choose which specific module you want to implement and then only handle that separately. Now, the third product is based on the Google Sheets platform. It is very similar in concept. You will receive a PDF with links to the online Google Sheets once you decide which template you want to try. Let me use the same example. If you want to do leave management using Google Sheets, then you click on that link, which will open up the Google Sheets template for leave management. And then you can make a copy of that in your own Google Drive, input your own data, and then you'll see the reports in the same Google Sheet. Similar to the Excel Superpower, these Google Sheet templates are independent. They are separate files and you will manage them separately. We continue to add more templates to these bundles regularly. Right now we have about 12 templates inside this Google Sheet bundle. Hopefully now you are clear about the three choices you have in terms of platforms. You have the Power BI based solution, Microsoft Excel only, and then Google Sheets only. Now, what are all included in these templates? We cover all the modules all the way from recruitment, onboarding, training, performance evaluation, retention, and administrative tools and templates. Our products cover the entire spectrum. Our products cover 100 different unique HR metrics, 200 unique visuals, and 40 unique reports. And all of these are designed to help you take smart HR decisions. Here is the list of reports we have, and here is the list of metrics we have. And please note that all the three products don't have exactly the same functionality and content, mainly because the products themselves have slightly different features. So you may find one report or a metric available in one product and not in the other. So please reach out to us, support@hrreportingtools.com, and we will help you find the right product for you. If you're looking for a specific report, we will be happy to help you. And we will also take your requirement to build new templates and add to the bundles in future. Let me talk a little bit about the benefits that you get out of these. So you will have improved quality of decisions using data and effective analysis techniques, and then drive increased return on investment, and you'll be able to quantify the business value that HR department brings to your company. By using these automated tools, you're going to have increased accuracy, and also you'll save a lot of time and money by using these automated tools, and you can use the time saved to actually focus on HR tasks which require your expertise and skill. And finally, this is a great foundation for advanced people analytics that your company can be doing in future. Now let me answer a few common questions that people may have about these products. Is my data very secure? Absolutely 100% secure, because once you download our templates from us, we do not have access to your copy of the template, and any data that you enter, where you store, everything is totally under only your control, and we do not have any access. It's 100% secure. You may wonder about, okay, I'm new to this. How do I actually use these products effectively? Do not worry. We have a dedicated support portal with step-by-step user guides for each of the specific product. Also with video demos, you can actually get started very quickly and will not have any issue in using these products. You do not have to be also an expert in either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel or Power BI. The products are designed to take the complexity out and give you a product which you can just focus on entering the data and then using the reports for decision making. You do not have to be an expert in any of these tools. There is no monthly recurring fee. There is only a one-time download fee, and you can use the product for a single user for lifetime. There's no time restrictions as well. We continue to add new templates to the bundles regularly, and if you'd like to receive those for free, then please purchase the pro version of the license, which will give you all future reports and templates added to the bundle for absolutely free. A little bit more about myself. So my name is Dinesh Natarajan Mohan, and I've been selling spreadsheet templates on inzara.com since 2013, and we have more than 1 million downloads of our templates until now. And also we have more than 13,000 customers across the world who have paid and downloaded our premium templates and have benefited from them. And also we always prioritize customer support. So we have a dedicated support portal with all the user guides for each of the specific templates that we sell. And also we have video demos as well. And finally, if there are questions that the guides and the support portal is not able to answer, please reach out to us at support@hrreportingtools.com, and we will respond to all emails within one business day. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.